Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Tesla Model Y tire. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level, stable surface away from traffic. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground for safety. Gather your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a spare tire or tire repair kit. Now, let's safely lift your Tesla. It's crucial to use a Tesla-approved jack pad adapter to protect the battery and chassis. Carefully position your jack directly under one of the 4 designated jack points, which are small circular areas on the undercarriage. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And speaking of staying prepared, changing a tire can be a workout. Keep yourself refreshed and focused with an Owala water bottle. It's perfect for any adventure, even roadside emergencies. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the car lifted, it's time to remove the wheel. If your Model Y has aero covers, gently pry them off to expose the lug nuts. Using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut about 1/4 of a turn while the wheel is still slightly on the ground. Once loose, fully remove all 5 lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Now let's get your new tire on. Carefully lift your spare or repaired tire and align it with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten all 5 lug nuts until they are snug. Then, slowly lower your Tesla until the tire just touches the ground. Finally, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.